Hey guys, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on Windows Firewall. Windows Firewall is very essential for protection of your PC and laptop. So let's get started. Go to search bar and type settings. As you can see here, click on it. Now look for update in security. As you can see in the last, click on it. Now go to Windows Security. Here you can see the third option, Firewall and Network Protection. So keep in mind the all options should be turned on. As you can see here in my laptop, the domain network is on, the private network is on, the public network is on. Now click on domain network. Now as you can see here, if your firewall is turned off, you can turn it on by click on it. Mine is on, and you can also click on this option, the block all incoming connection including those in the list of allowed us. It is very essential. Click on it. You can click on yes. So guys, this was an easy tutorial to how to turn on your Windows Firewall. I hope you like it and thanks for watching. See you in the next.